Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to configure the IP address by using CISCO Packet Tracer. So this is a basic lab, we can say configure IP address using CISCO Packet Tracer. So I will take the device here, you can see here I will take two computer and we will take one switch here and then we will take one router. So here click this and we can take this basic router and we will click here. And after that what we will do, I will click here and here we will connect the PC and then we will connect the router. Okay, so this way we can connect, and if you want to move this up or down we can move up or down here, and if you want to make zoom we can do zoom in. If you want to change the name of the device you can write here the device name label. This is just label. And now let's see how we can configure the IP address in CISCO router. Just try to click open and click CLI and write here no, and then we will write enable config T. I will go in the global configuration mode. Now I will write the host name and whatever name I want to give. I want to give R, I write R1. So now you can see the router name is changed. And what IP we are going to assign, I will put the label here. We can say I am going to assign the IP 192.168.1.1/24. And for this PC I am going to assign the IP 192.168.1.2/24. and for this IP I am going to write here 192.168.1.3/24. okay, so this IP we are going to assign. So first of all we will assign to the router. So we have this interface F0/0, so we will write here interface F0/0 and we will put here IP address. This is the syntax you need to follow if you want to configure the IP address in CISCO router. And write the IP, give space, write the subnet mask. After that then you can press enter, write no shut. So this way we can assign the IP address to the CISCO Packet Tracer in the CISCO router, and WR you can write to save the configuration. Okay, so this way we configure the IP address in CISCO router. Now in this machine if you want to configure the IP, how you will configure, just go to desktop, go to IP config, and here you can type the IP 192.168.1.2 and press tab key. Automatically subnet mask will come, and here we can keep the router interface IP, that is our gateway. That's all. Similar way you can go to this computer and you can click here and you can type here also 192.168.1.3 and press tab key. Automatically subnet mask will come and you can put the gateway here. Okay, you can put the gateway here and then you can click. You can see this way you can configure the IP address to the router and the PC here. So what we can say, we can configure this way. After that we can test. So I will go to this PC CLI. In this command prompt I will type the IP. I want to check we can ping or not the router interface IP. You can see 1.1 I am able to ping. So it is working because we have IP here, and we can check it is working. And you can ping from this PC to this PC also. You can test here they are communicating or not. You can see it is working here also. Okay, and similar way you can go to this computer and go to the command prompt and you can check this PC is communicating with the router or not. I can put here, you can see it is working perfectly, and also you can check it is working with the another computer or not. It is working with another computer. Okay, so this is just basic lab, like many students is asking configure the IP address using CISCO Packet Tracer. So I prepared this video. This is simple only, just we configure the IP address to the router and the PC and we tested it is working perfectly. If you want to enable the DHCP, you can enable DHCP and you can get the IP from the DHCP. You can do that way also. Okay, like here manually we configure. If you want we can get the IP from the DHCP. Here still we don't have the DHCP. If I click here you will not get the IP because we did not configure the DHCP server in this router, or we don't have any external server to get the to give the IP to this machine. Okay, here you can see DHCP fail here. Similar way if I go here and check here also it will not work because we don't have the DHCP server in our network. That's why you will not get the IP from the DHCP, and we are configuring manually. If you want we can take one server, we can install and we can configure. So this machine can get the IP from the DHCP, or we can configure in this router also to get the IP from the DHCP. You can see DHCP request fail here and they are not getting the IP from the DHCP. Okay, if you want, I can configure here. We can say here, I will go here in the global configuration mode. I will write IP DHCP pool name, anything we can give. I give ABC, then I can write network, and network ID I need to write. So I will give this because we want to give this network, and subnet mask I will give. And after that, if you want to give the default gateway, we can give the router IP as a default gateway. And after that, if you want to, if you see I'm getting some conflict here, what we are getting default router is 1.1, and let's see, we will do the troubleshooting if we get any issue. Default router IP we give 1.1, and this is the range. And if you want to give DNS also, you can give DNS server, whatever the DNS server you want to give, you can give that one. And if you want to exclude the IP pool, you can write IP DHCP exclude address, and you can exclude the address. Example, you don't want to give 1.1 IP. So this is a DHCP configuration. We can write WR, and now after that you can go to this machine and you can see here you will get the IP from the DHCP. You can see you get the IP from the DHCP 192.168.1.2, and similar way if you go here and also you do reset here, you can see you will get the IP from the DHCP, and you can see DHCP request successful. So you are getting the IP from the DHCP, and you can see 1.3 IP you get here. If you want to go to this PC and try to ping 1.3, you can check it will work. Okay, now you get the IP from the DHCP. Before we configure manually, now you get the IP from the DHCP. If you want to ping the router interface, you can ping, it is working perfectly, no issue, you don't have any issue. Okay, so manually you can configure the IP in the computer by going and clicking here and assigning the IP here, or you can click here, you will get the IP from the DHCP. DHCP we configure inside this router, so this router acting like a DHCP. If you take any computer here, any more computer, and connect here like this way, it will take some time because spanning tree protocol is going to work here. So spanning tree protocol will take some time. So because of that one, we need to wait for few minutes, because the STP will do listening learning. Once they finish, this will become green, and after that it will start working. In the real world we need to wait, or in Packet Tracer if you don't want to wait, you can go here and press this fast forward, so it will become green. And now go here in the desktop, and here you can click, and here you have static, just click here DHCP. So they are requesting, and you can see we will get the IP from the DHCP. Successfully it is working. Okay, so this is a basic lab. We can say here we include the DHCP also. We can say configure the IP address using CISCO Packet Tracer and basic DHCP lab in this one. Thank you. Bye.